Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to unlock the list of all applications, then let's find and select the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Choose reset, and here you have to choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all app preferences, including the disable apps, disable app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permissions restriction. So you will not lose any app data, you have to be aware of this. So if you would like to accomplish that operation, let's simply choose reset apps, and that's it. The restoring the app preferences is done. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.